Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. Imagine a TV that doesn't just display images, but transports you into the heart of the action, with colors so vivid, blacks so deep, and sound so immersive, it feels like you're right there in the scene. That's what the new LG 55-inch class OLED AI 4K-B5 series Smart TV promises, and I'm excited to share my hands-on experience with you. First, let's talk about the brain behind this stunning display, the Alpha 8 AI Processor Gen2. This advanced processor uses AI to detect what you're watching and automatically improves the picture and sound quality to your personal preferences. It's like having a personal entertainment assistant, fine-tuning every detail to ensure you get the best possible viewing experience. Whether you're watching a blockbuster movie, a live sports event, or your favorite TV show, the Alpha 8 AI Processor Gen 2 ensures that every moment is optimized for maximum enjoyment. But what really sets this TV apart is its perfect black and perfect color technology, courtesy of OLED. With over 8.3 million self-lit smart pixels, this TV can produce an astonishing range of colors and contrast levels, even in bright rooms. The result is a picture that's not just vivid and lifelike, but also incredibly nuanced, with deep blacks that add depth and dimension to every scene. Whether you're watching a romantic comedy or an action-packed thriller, the perfect black and perfect color technology ensures that every moment is filled with breathtaking beauty and emotion. Now let's talk about the ultimate viewing experience: Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, and Filmmaker Mode. With Dolby Vision, you get extraordinary color, contrast, and brightness that draws you into the action. Dolby Atmos adds a whole new dimension to the sound, with immersive audio that surrounds you and puts you right in the heart of the scene. And with Filmmaker Mode, you can see movies just as the director intended, with a level of authenticity and accuracy that's simply breathtaking. Whether you're a movie buff or just someone who loves to be entertained, this TV's combination of Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, and Filmmaker Mode is the ultimate ticket to a world of cinematic magic. But this TV isn't just about movies. It's also a gamer's dream come true. With its 120Hz refresh rate, 0.1 milliseconds response time, and support for NVIDIA G-Sync, AMD FreeSync Premium, and VRR, this TV delivers crisp, smooth imagery that's perfect for fast-paced games. The LG Game Dashboard and Game Optimizer put all the control at your fingertips, allowing you to fine-tune your gaming experience and take your skills to the next level. And with 4 HDMI 2.1 inputs, you can plug in all your devices and get ready to game without any limitations. Finally, let's talk about the TV's smart features, courtesy of WebOS. This award-winning platform delivers a smarter, more personalized experience, with a wide range of streaming apps and over 350 free channels to choose from. The LG Channels feature connects you to a vast library of content, including thousands of titles on demand. And with the new program, you can enjoy future software updates and feature refreshes, ensuring that your TV stays up to date and always performs at its best. In conclusion, the LG 55-inch class OLED AI 4K-B5 series Smart TV is an absolute game-changer. With its stunning picture quality, immersive sound, and advanced smart features, it's the perfect choice for anyone who wants to experience the best of entertainment. Whether you're a movie buff, a gamer, or just someone who loves to be entertained, this TV has something for everyone. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on this incredible TV and discover a whole new world of entertainment. Trust me, you won't regret it. This TV is truly a masterpiece of technology that will leave you breathless and wanting more.